The diagram shows a square whose vertices touch the sides of a regular pentagon. Each vertex of the pentagon touches a side of a regular hexagon, and we have to find the value of a plus b plus c plus d. So I will start with naming the hexagon first. So if I say A, B, E and F, and then you see the internal angles of regular hexagons. Now we can find that out quite easily using the formula n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So for the hexagon it's 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180 divided by 6. So for hexagon, or regular hexagon, so for regular hexagon that would be 6 times 30, so that's 120 degrees. So that means because ABCDEF is a regular hexagon, so angle A would be 120 degrees, angle B would be 120 degrees, angle C, D, E and F, all of them would be 120 degrees. So now you see what we do is next we find the internal angles of the pentagon. So we name the pentagon first. So I can name the pentagon as ABCF, then I say G and H and I, and this is a point. This is not a bad drawing. So this is a point, this is J and this is K. Okay, so the internal angles of the pentagon, regular pentagon. So regular pentagon. So the internal angle would be 5 minus 2, 3 times 180 out of 5. That would be 3 times 15, 36, and that equals 108 degrees. So then we can say that angle H is GHI is 108 degrees. Then we have angle GKJ, which is this angle, would also be 108 degrees. And so would angle G and angle I and angle J, and all of them, they are all 108 degrees. But there's a reason why I'm not writing it down. You may have already figured it out, but anyway I will go through it. So the reason is, if we are to join the points starting from A to H, that includes the angle A, and we include H to I didn't name the square, so I must name the square. If I can name the square X, so if this was X, and if this was Y, and if this was Z, this point, and this point was W. So I joined AH, HY, and then YZ, and then ZK, and then KB, and finally BA, passing through the point G. So you see A, B, K, Z, Y, H is a hexagon, 6 sides. It's not regular, but it's a hexagon. So what that would mean is that the sum of the angles of a hexagon would apply. So we know that excuse me, sum of the angles of hexagon is 720 degrees. So 120 times, there are 6 angles, so that's 720. Or you could do, 6 minus 2, 4 times 180 is 720. So it is 720 degrees, the sum of the angles of the hexagon. So what we do is we are going to simply add them up, because we know angle A is 120 degrees. Angle H or AHI is A plus 108. So this angle, if I use a highlighter, don't know if it will work, but well, where does it work? Oh, it works with the yellow, so that's fine. So maybe a lighter green. So if this angle, so this angle is 108 plus A, this is 120 degrees, and you see this angle Y, that would be 90 plus D, because x, y, z, w is a square. So angle HYZ would be 90 plus D, and also angle YZK would be 90 plus C. So this is 90 plus C. Angle ZKB would be B plus 108 degrees, and angle B or KB or KBA is already 120 degrees. So we have figured out all the 6 angles of the hexagon, and so we need to add them up, and they sum to 720 degrees. So come back to my pen, and then I can write, because A is 120 degrees and this is 90 degrees, by the way. So this is 90 degrees. So it's 90 plus D. So I can write 120 degrees plus A plus 108 degree, 108 plus D plus 90 plus 90 plus C plus B plus 108 plus 120 would equal 720 degrees. So have I included all the angles? So one more time, I have included 120 degree, that is A plus 108, that is angle AHY, then D plus 90 degrees, which is angle HYZ, then I have 90 plus C, which is angle YZK, then I have angle B plus 108, that is angle JKB, that's B plus 108, and then 120 degrees, which is angle B, so, or you can say it's KBA. So then we've included all the angles and they sum to 720 degrees. So all we have to do is find A plus B plus C plus D. So A plus B plus C plus D would equal, so I have 720 minus, so 120 and 120 gives me 240 degrees, and 90 and 90 is 180 degree, that is 90 plus 90. So I've included the 2. I need to include the 208 degrees, so that would be 108 plus 108 is 216. So if you add them all up, you get 6, 12, 13, 636. So I would get 636 degrees if I were to add all these angles up. So then that would equal, if you subtract, you'd get 4, and then this is 84 degrees. 4 and 6 10. So A plus B plus C plus D equals 84 degrees, and that's the answer.